Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on the Huawei Y61. So, as you know, there is no Google services available, so we can try to make a little trick for that. So, we have to open the web browser. Just go to the google.com now. And it's very important step, switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now just tap on the little camera icon and choose upload a file. Now allow permissions to your storage and choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. In my case it will be that one, click done. And how you can see now Google looking for similar or the same images in the web. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.